yeah. Let me tell you something. Okino, we don't do normal interviews like anybody. We hang out and talk and minister and have a good time. So when you come to
No, that's all
CCB,
right.
that's what we
That's
do.
all right.
Okay, but we gonna get off the.
No, yeah, that's all right.
It's 9:49. We can get off the air at 10. So tell us about the album, the song "Beauty for Ashes." Amen. That's where we gonna end. That's where we is going. That's where we gonna end up. Tell us about
All
"Beauty for
right. So
Ashes."
the,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
the album is really a
yeah, yeah.
collection of songs
Mm,
during, as I said, a
mm,
rough season.
mm,
Like all these songs that you hear on the album,
yeah,
and it's also my first album that I've
mm, mm,
personally
mm,
produced.
yeah,
So it's kind of like a learning. It was like a learning period for me as well, because
mm,
God was the one who told me that
mm,
I was going to record my own music, and
mm,
I had self doubt. I had all those things going on,
mm,
and I fought with God for a long time before I actually started recording it. And God would give me favor, like allowing me to get all my instruments and stuff like that for cheap. So I know His favor was in it. So it was kind of like
mm,
clear that God wanted me to record my own music. I've been to
mm,
record in the studio, it just never worked out.
mm,
And so you know He used that time for me to spend time in His presence as well, and to hear
mm.
what He's saying, because I have to be dependent
Yeah,
on what He's saying.
yeah,
And so this album is just it stemmed from, as I said, seasons in my life where
yeah.
it either is happiness, or
Mm.
it either is going through a rough season in my life, and I still
Right.
have to acknowledge who God is, because who
Amen.
He is
Yeah,
never
yeah,
change.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
that's what the album is about.
yeah.
Beauty for ashes. We know the word beauty for ashes.
Mm.
It comes from Isaiah 61,
Yeah,
where Isaiah is saying,
yeah,
what the Lord has anointed him
yeah,
for, and
yeah.
that is to preach good tide
Right,
unto the
right,
meek,
right, right,
and to set the captive free,
right. Yeah.
to give them liberty,
Right.
and he do it from the place of where God puts him, because he
Yeah,
says that the Spirit of the Lord is upon me,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? And he says to to um to give beauty for
The
ashes,
ashes, right? Yeah.
joy, joy of
Joyful.
oil for,
Yeah, yeah,
right. And
yeah,
he says, okay, I'm giving you this, but
yeah,
this is the reason, so that
yeah.
I may be called the
Right.
tree of righteousness,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
planting of the Lord. That
Uh,
means you're unmovable, you're
right,
stable.
right,
Go
right.
back down to Psalms 1,
Yeah, yeah,
that tells us that,
yeah.
if we dwell in God, it's like the tree that planted by the rivers of water.